His name is Ravi. Life is, and in all likelihood, will remain an uphill struggle for him. This is where he lives, surrounded by heaps of stinking trash in a makeshift shack without electricity or clean water. And there are millions like him. What chance do children like Ravi have? Is there anyone who can help make a difference?
This is supposed to be an Arjun tree, and we started our first school under the shade of this tree. There were 7 students to begin with. My mother, you see, her name was Prakash, and she died in 2002. And that's the time I had also left the Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis, where I was working. Then decided to start the school in her name. Most of these children come from very humble backgrounds. Their parents, you see, work as daily wage earners, like laborers, like masons, carpenters, mechanics, drivers. Their mothers are working as maids in different houses. They go from house to house to earn their living. Most of the fathers, they are like alcoholics, and they don't support the family. It is the mother who bears the burden.
Dr. Savita Dutt's vision has come a long way since that day. Like in all Indian public schools, a day at Prakash Deep begins with a morning prayer.
Children have a lot of potential. They only need direction. If they have the direction, there's somebody to guide them, they can do wonders. I always feel why can't they do it? I really feel proud of them.
और वो place value भी आपकी है? Place value and this है? Very good, very good. क्या करना चाहते हो आप? पढ़ के क्या करोगे? क्या बनना चाहते हो? जब ये बच्चा बहुत छोटा था, 2 साल पहले की बात है, तो मैंने इनकी ना सबकी तस्वीरें खींची थी, तो ये इतना सा था, तो मैंने इससे पूछा तुम क्या बनना चाहते हो? So Vipin turned around and he said that he wants to become a helicopter. याद है? His elder brother, you see, he wanted to be an engineer, and this child wanted to be a helicopter.
बड़े होके इंस्पेक्टर बनूंगी, सबको चोरों को पकड़ूंगी.
They have more strength in them. They're more daring than our own children, you see, who are so protected. These children, if they're given the right kind of training and direction, you see, they can do wonders.
Besides academics, the children are encouraged to participate in a wide variety of extracurricular activities. They are encouraged to let their imagination take flight.
हर साल हम लोग ये कार्ड्स इनके बनाए हुए पेंटिंग से हमारे ग्रीटिंग्स कार्ड्स बनते हैं, जो लोग ले करके जाते हैं और पसंद भी करते हैं इन्हें, जिससे हम बच्चों के हेल्प में ही ये काम आ जाते हैं हमारे.
The creativity in them, it's amazing.
They are taught classical and folk dances.
मेरे लिए अच्छा एक मौका है कि मैं जो बच्चे मुझे जानते नहीं और जिन्होंने कभी कुछ सीखा नहीं, उनको मैं सिखाऊं और मुझे उसमें आनंद की प्राप्ति होगी. वही मेरी पेमेंट है. ट्रेड फेयर ऑफ इंडिया में प्रस्तुत करना चाहते थे और वहाँ पर ये प्रस्तुति हमने जान लगाई, बच्चों ने भी जान लगाई. करीब 100 बच्चों ने प्रस्तुति में भाग लिया और हमने 5 किस्म के नृत्य किए.
हाथ साइड पे, हथेली ऊपर की तरफ, धीरे धीरे.
They are taught the ancient Indian discipline of yoga.
पंजों के ऊपर धीरे से स्ट्रेच करो.
I've always felt that Prakash Deep is blessed by God. There's a lot of grace, you see, which is being showered on us. We've been recently getting a number of volunteers from all over the world to come and work in the school.
It's amazing to work with these children who basically have not a lot, and they are so generous and they give everything, and they are so loving and very smart. And it's really good that people like Savita organize things like this to give these children chances for their future.
It's amazing to try and understand what these children, the environment they've grown up in. But it's tough to really, take it in. But just to arrive at these places and see how happy, and the children are full of smiles and they open up instantly to you, it makes me realize that, they have had quite a tough life, and just to be part of it here and to come in, and within a matter of seconds they look at you, and just that eye contact, they smile, and just to be able to make a difference in their life.
So basically we started a medical program for the students, and we started first aid for the children and giving cough and cold medicine.
क्या नाम है बेटा आपका? लक्ष्मी. आप गिर गए थे? Some other boy, she had picked up a bag, so she ran after him and tripped and fell down headlong. In the school also we keep some first aid material, so we bandaged it and all, but you see there was so much bleeding, we got worried. So we sent this child to Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, where Dr. Pandey, who's in charge, he gave us medical cover for these children. So we sent this child there, and they really took good care of her and stitched up the wound and dressed it, and for days together she kept going there for dressings and all. So now she's all right.
Yesterday, for example, I bring a world map. So we brought the world map around to each little classroom and showed them, where India is and where I'm from, and just to make sure they're having fun, to play around with them, play games, whatever we can, we're just kind of there.
The youngest supporter of the school. Initially he headed the Green School project of Aishar School and brought a team of students to interact with our children.
Well, we've organized tree plantations and awareness campaigns. Like we've been, with the help of these children, we did a tree plantation nearby, and then we've held a few awareness campaigns about trees, etc. We're planning on a larger tree plantation and another campaign to completely get polybags stopped in this area. About a few days back, there was cutting of trees, illegal cutting of trees planned in this area, and we weren't there, we weren't aware of this. These children, they went and they hugged the trees to stop those people. So then we had time to call the officials and got it stopped.
As a doctor, the most important part that I feel is the hygiene of the children, and even that training is also being imparted to these children. So on the whole, as you can see from the children who are standing behind me, they're all very smart. They're the smart turnout. They've got a neat uniform, which is again being provided by the institution, and especially in cases where children have not cleaned themselves properly or are not washed.
पानी की तकलीफ है, बच्चों के बहुत परेशानी है। अच्छा। वहाँ शांता मैडम के पास जाते हैं, वही पानी देती है, नहलाती धुलाती हैं।
Women would sit with them, sort of talk to one child about hygiene, turn the hose pipe on another because the child was so dirty, then there was no question of being able to do anything with the child. And then gradually the numbers started to grow. Then we thought in terms of providing food for them. And then gradually the children realized that they are now in a situation which will give them a little direction for the future.
The slum development program that has now been initiated is the one in which they are teaching children basic hygiene. We are also taking care of lice infestation in these children and seeing that they learn as a habit to wash their hands before they have their meals. The provision of a nutritious meal to them once a day is also basically beneficial to their health, which is again quite evident in both their smiles and in their appearances. So Savita Dutt inspires her teachers to work with the students. Under normal conditions in the world, which is quite sharp and money oriented, her teachers are a very dedicated staff.
मैंने देखा कि मैम यहाँ बैठे हैं और बच्चों को पढ़ा रहे हैं। मैं उनके पास आई समथिंग मतलब डोनेट करने के लिए, बट मैम से इसकी थिंग्स से ज़्यादा हमें लोगों के टाइम की ज़रूरत है. अगर आप टाइम शेयर कर सके तो वो मुझे इम्प्रेसिव लगा और मैंने मैम को ज्वाइन कर लिया. सो आई फील प्राउड टू बी हेयर. मुझे अच्छा लगता है और इन बच्चों से मिलने के बाद तो और भी अच्छा लगने लगा, क्योंकि ये बिल्कुल अपने बच्चों जैसे ही हैं. अगर उन्हें कोई मिले आगे जाने का तो वो बहुत आगे जा सकते हैं.
Before teaching, I was working somewhere else with an appliance company, and every day I used to travel to my office, but the school came in between every day. So I saw Savita ma'am teaching the children. It was an inspiration taken from there. I felt that I could be of some help to her. So I started convincing my family that I want to leave my job and I want to work with her. And then I started working with her. It's been 2 years. It's a pleasure working here. The kids are just adorable. I think they are the ones who need love most of all, because that is what they are deprived of.
We want to trigger an epidemic of love for these children.
क्या नाम है?
मेहंदी.
और कितने साल की हो?
5 साल की.
और स्कूल अच्छा लगता है आपको?
यस.
हाँ, क्या पढ़ते हो यहाँ पे?
वो गिनती 100 पहाड़ा पढ़ते हैं हम. 1 2 3 4 सब पढ़ते हैं.
अच्छा. और कितने दिन से आ रहे हो आप?
बहुत दिन से. 1-2 महीने लग ही गए होंगे.
अच्छा. और अभी यहीं पे आप स्कूल आओगे हर रोज सब?
हाँ.
पक्का?
पक्का.
हाँ. अपने दोस्तों को भी लाओगे?
यस.
उससे पहले क्या करते थे?
घर पे रहते थे. सरकारी स्कूल में पढ़ते थे.
सरकारी स्कूल में. तो सरकारी स्कूल अच्छा नहीं लगता था आपको? नहीं. क्यों नहीं अच्छा लगता था?
बहुत मारते थे बच्चे वहाँ पर.
बहुत मारते थे?
जी.
तो आप छोड़ दिया आपने? तो ये स्कूल अच्छा है?
These kids understand one language, and that's the language of love. I mean, it's like it's worth coming here. They greet you so nicely, like hello Didi and everything, and they give you flowers. They make lovely cards for you and they give it to you. And I mean, all they want is just a nice pat on their back and to say very good, you've done a nice job. That's all they want.
नाम क्या है आपका?
विशाल.
अच्छा. और आप यहीं पे पास में रहते हो?
हाँ.
मम्मी पापा क्या करते हैं?
मम्मी पापा नहीं है.
नहीं है इसका कोई नहीं. अच्छा. और स्कूल आप कितने दिन से आ रहे हो?
10-15 रोज हो गए.
स्कूल आने से पहले आप क्या करते थे?
कूड़ा बिनते थे.
तो आप कहाँ पे रहते हो?
ये झुग्गी.
हाँ? किसके साथ रहते हो?
एक पापा बंदर में काम करते हैं.
हाँ.
और मम्मी कूड़ा बिनने जाती है.
अच्छा. और स्कूल आने से पहले आप क्या करते थे?
स्कूल पहले बिनने जाते थे कबाड़.
अच्छा. और अब नहीं जाते हो?
अब नहीं जाते.
अच्छा. अच्छा लगता है यहाँ स्कूल आने में?
यस. अच्छा.
हाँ?
लगता है.
अच्छा लगता है. और आपके कोई भाई बहन है? कितने भाई बहन है?
9 है.
9 भाई बहन. और वो क्या करते हैं?
वो घर में रहते हैं.
घर में रहते. तो उनको भी स्कूल आया करो.
वो छोटे छोटे हैं.
छोटे छोटे.
Parents think of them as an earning hand. You have more kids, you have more earning hands.
Even parents are not interested in sending them to schools. Even the society, you see, like shopkeepers and others, dhaba walas, they want to employ them as cheap laborers. You know, even factory owners. So you see, we are working against all these odds. It is a big challenge for an institution like ours to bring them out of that, you know, against the wishes of their parents.
Each one of us has got a well-defined role and everyone has to perform. Like you take the members of the executive committee, each one of them helps the trust in its own way, has got a function, and they go out of their way to see that the necessary donations and funds come in so that the trust can continue to function.
2 major roles have to be played in the running of this organization. One is practical on the ground, running the school as such. And second is to enable the school to run, we need funds, we need money. How do we get money? Money primarily is being obtained through personal contacts of various members of the committee, but primarily it is Dr. Savita Dutt and General S.K. Dutt who meet variety of people, convey to